Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we see the different types of unit cells in one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensional, and we also see the cubic unit cells of different types. And now we are going to see clothes packing. Clothes packing in crystals, the atoms or ions are arranged in a regular way in a three-dimensional space. This arrangement has minimum energy and hence possesses maximum stability. For maximum stability, the atoms or ions must be surrounded by the maximum number of neighbors. For maximum number of contacts, each constituent atoms or ions of the crystal must be packed as closely as possible. The arrangement of the maximum number of ions or atoms into the smallest possible space is called close packing, which will be shown in the next figure. In such arrangement, each sphere is in contact with maximum possible number of nearest neighbors, which called the coordination number of that sphere. With a close packed arrangement in the spheres occupy 74% of the total space. The best example of close packing in the nature is honeycomb. Bees form hexagonal cells to store maximum honey in a minimum space. There are two important types of closest packing. See, in this closest packing, there are 74% of the space from this square is occupied and remaining will be remains vacant. So we see the types of closest packing. There are two important types of closest packing of spheres. First, hexagonal close packing HCP, and second, cubic close packing CCP. First, hexagonal close packing HCP. To start with this type of packing, we shall think about crystal being built from one type of atoms only, because all must have the same size. We will show an atom by a ball or sphere. If we pack a number of balls or spheres closely together, we will find that they are most likely to line up as shown in the figure. We will see that figure in the next. In this figure, it is seen that except at the edges, there are 6 balls or spheres arranged in the shape of hexagon around a ball or a sphere in the center of the hexagon. This type of arrangement is called hexagonal close packing. This we can imagine as the first step when real atoms come together to form a crystal. See in the figure, at the center there is a sphere, and around this center sphere there are 6 spheres, and they can form the hexagonal shape, and thus we can say this is the hexagonal close packing, HCP. If we imagine more atoms beginning to stick to the first layer, they will drop into the small gaps where atoms in the first layer meet. See in the figure, 2 layers of the close packed spheres, and thus there is particularly the first layer A, second layer B, third layer again A, and thus there is the. Now we can place a third layer on top. This can be achieved by 2 ways, as either first, the atoms in the third layer can be fit so that they are directly above the first layer, or second, they can go on so that they are only partly above the first layer. In the first case, the layers built up in pairs, usually known as AB, AB, and so on. The structure which is shown in figure. Here, the third layer is directly above the first, the fourth is directly above the second, and so on. This AB-AB pattern of layers is in use in the lattice with hexagonal unit cell, and therefore is said to be exact on close packed HCP. Second, cubic close packing, CCP. In this type, the balls are the spheres of the third layer are placed above the gap in the first layer. Hence, the second layer covers half the hole in the first layer, and the third layer lies above the remaining holes. This arrangement results in an ABC type structure, which is shown in the figure. It corresponds to the lattice with face-centered cubic unit cell. Hence, the crystal structure is cubic close packed, CCP, or more precisely face-centered cubic FCC. Thus, AB-AB structure is called HCP, hexagonal close packing, whereas ABC is called CCP, cubic close packed structure. Now we are going to see the voids or holes which are found or forms in the closest packed structure. Holes or voids in closest packed structures are represented here. We have seen that there are mainly two types of closed packing. First, hexagonal HCP, and second, cubic closed packing CCP arrangements in many crystals. In any layer of closed packed arrangement of spheres, the unoccupied volume is called void or hole. About 26% of the space is unoccupied. There are two types of holes or voids forms in the crystal lattice that are: first type of void is tetrahedral holes or voids, and second, octahedral holes or voids. The holes are also called as interstitial sites between the closely packed spheres. So first type, tetrahedral holes or voids. These holes are surrounded by four spheres, that is, the coordination number of tetrahedral hole is 4. This hole is marked by the letter capital T in the figure. See, there is two figures, first for tetrahedral and second for octahedral. So second type of holes or voids is octahedral hole. These octahedral holes are surrounded by 6 spheres, that is, the coordination number of octahedral hole is 6. This hole is marked by the letter capital O in the figure. For every sphere of close packed arrangement of either HCP or CCP type, there are tetrahedral and octahedral holes. The octahedral holes are larger than tetrahedral holes. The size of each hole depends upon the size of spheres. The larger the size of the spheres, greater the size of hole made by them. See here, there are the A figure shows the tetrahedral and octahedral holes in the close packed lattice. So together they are here shown. See B figure, a tetrahedral hole or site. See, for this hole there are 4 spheres or atoms surrounds it, that is, its coordination number is 4. And C figure shows the octahedral holes. This hole have the coordination number 6, that is, 6 spheres or atoms are surrounds that void or hole. Ionic crystals are made up of oppositely charged ions. If the larger ions are closed pack, then the smaller ions may occupy either the tetrahedral or octahedral holes, which will be formed in the packing of that spheres. This depends upon the size of ions and the holes. The type of hole occupied by the ion depends upon the radius ratio of the ions. Therefore, An ion occupying a tetrahedral hole has a coordination number 4, while that ion occupying an octahedral hole has a coordination number 6. Only in some compounds the relative size of the ions are such that other cations are so large that they cannot fit into the holes. The force the anion to go out of the contact with each other and disturb the close packed structure